This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing for Fujitsu General, and the units are sold through dealers in the USA and Canada. All of the models feature louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, as well as powder-coated paint and rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking nice for years to come. The units have a QR code on them which allows for handy access to technical information. The WP14 models are basic units with a 9 HSPF efficiency rating that are more of a builder-grade heat pump, as they have a boxy look to them and their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The FOP15 units are premium 2-stage heat pumps with a 9 HSPF efficiency and feature a composite base pan for noise control, but the units are still relatively loud in operation with a sound rating of 75.5 decibels. They have much better curb appeal and their warranty is decent but does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The FOP16 Ultimate units have a state-of-the-art variable speed compressor, but they only have a 9 HSPF heating efficiency. They are backed by a pretty good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The FOP18 units are ultimate heat pumps with a variable speed compressor and a standard compressor blanket for noise control, which results in a much quieter unit with a sound rating that is less than normal conversation. They have the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC systems through the EcoNet control to maximize comfort and efficiency. The units use electronic expansion valves, which is state-of-the-art technology in controlling refrigerant flow. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.